Hi everybody and welcome back. Now we can update our hello world function from our last lecture to not only say hello world but to also give us back a name. For the function to do this, we enter a username in the brackets of the function's definition at def hello world. So let's just do that now. So we start off again, so we have our comments and we're going to start this from scratch again. Def hello world. And now in the last one we'd no information to pass into our brackets, but we're going to do that now. So we add username. By adding username here, we allow the function to accept any value of username we specify. Our function now expects us to provide a value for username each time we call it. So again, let's describe our function, and we do that with 3 double quotes. Showing a username. Okay, and we close it with 3 double quotes again. This time we go print hello plus username. And don't forget our title that we saw at the very beginning plus full stop dot. Okay, the variable username in the definition of hello world is an example of a parameter, a piece of information the function needs to do its job. And then to finish off our program, we enter in again hello world, but we must pass it some more information, and we're going to give it our username here, Tony. The value Tony is an example of an argument. An argument is a piece of information that is passed from a function call to a function. So our function call is here, hello world, and this here, beginning with def, is our function. When we call the function, we place the value we want the function to work with in the brackets. In this example, the argument Tony was passed to the function hello world, and the value was stored in the parameter username. So let's run this and see what we get. There we go, hello Tony, capitalized with a full stop. So another very simple example and introduction to functions, this time about how we can pass information to a function. In later lectures, we'll look at how we can do this dynamically without having to predefine our argument as we did here. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next lecture.